Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to do something totally different and make a fruit and veg smoothie. Don't worry, we'll look at the power consumption of the blender too. So first things first, I have all my ingredients laid out and washed and ready to go. I'm going to cut up an apple and put it into the blender. 2 total apples will go in. You can use lots of types. These are Empire. Next, it is time to tackle the ginger. This obviously requires a lot of thought, so now we can watch my horrifying lack of knife skills as I chop up some ginger. This is going to give the drink a little bit of spice and some tanginess. This is a healthy drink, but it also has to taste good. The ginger doesn't do a whole lot health-wise, but it does add a lot of flavor. So next, some salt is added, about a 1/4 teaspoon to the blender. This is also going to help enhance the flavor, but it also just adds some sodium, which is generally lacking from the drink. Next, some apple cider vinegar goes in. This is added to taste, but it's important to add some acid to the drink to help balance it out. About a teaspoon or 2 of this should do. Next, second apple is cut up and added to the blender. 1 full container of baby spinach is added. Just squish the spinach right into the blender. It got a lot of airspace in there, so it will fit. Next, a whole package of baby carrots is added. Then, 12 ounces of water are added. If you don't add the water, the drink will be too thick and won't dispense so easily. Don't forget to mash the like and subscribe button. We can see that the blender just being plugged in is using about 0.85 watts. This will cost about $2 per year to leave plugged in. So remember, unplug your appliances when they aren't being used. And blend. Here we can see the power consumption of the blender is around 400 watts during active blending. The blender claims 1100 watts capable, but fruit and veg isn't exactly difficult to blend, so this sounds about right. One thing you notice is whether the power is switched on or off, it still draws the same 0.85. One of the issues with stuffing the blender so full of spinach is it tends to get stuck. So a poking implement with the blender turned off probably should be unplugged too. You can shove the food items further down the blender to make it blend more. And sometimes you just give it a little shake while it's running and it'll unstuck the things. This will also help make more room for the remaining ingredients. 2 bananas. And another 12 ounces of water. Then more blending. A little more blending. And more blending. Then we can do some pour and enjoy. The total cost for this drink is about $1.62 per serving as made. This is providing 5.5 12-ounce servings. The recipe is in the description below if you're interested. And thanks for watching. Drink up and enjoy. Oh, and like and subscribe.